go on an adventure, travel across the sea. We can do it together. Come and explore with
Kia ora, Chief Explorers. My name is Lesieli, and I'm here from the Lalanga Toolbox. Today, we are going to be learning about the fascinating patterns of our solar system, how we get our days and years and seasons. We'll be learning a little bit more about the moon, but first off, we are going to learn about what is an orbit. What is an orbit? Imagine you're in a merry-go-round, going round and round. Well, planets do something like that in space, going around and around the sun in a special path called an orbit. An orbit is like a cosmic dance that keeps planets in their places, making sure they don't bump into each other. Each planet has its own unique orbit, just like you have your own special dance moves. Here's some facts about our solar system. Fact number 1, an orbit is the fancy way planets spin around the sun, like dancers in a space ballet. Did you know planets have different ways of dancing around the sun? Some are quick like Mercury, while others take their time like Neptune. Imagine the sun as the center of a big space party, and planets are the guests who each have their special dance moves. Some move fast, some move slow, and they create the most wonderful patterns in the sky. Fact number 2, each planet's orbit is like a unique dance move in the grand cosmic dance party. Just like you have day and night, planets spin too. A planet's spin makes the sun seem to rise and set, giving us day and night. The time it takes for a planet to spin once a day is its day. But how do we measure a year? Well, a planet's year is how long it takes to complete one full circle around the sun. Earth's year is about 365 days, which is why we celebrate birthdays and enjoy different seasons. Fact number 3, Earth's spin gives us day and night, while its journey around the sun gives us our year. Picture Earth's tilt like a gentle lean. This tilt is what makes our seasons change like magic. When Earth orbits the sun, different parts get more sunlight at different times, creating the warm days of summer, the colourful leaves of autumn, the cozy winter snow, and the fresh days of spring. Fact number 4, Earth's tilt makes the seasons change and brings us cozy winters and sunny summers. Have you ever looked up and seen the moon shining in the night sky? Some planets have moons too. They're like space buddies that orbit around planets just like our moon orbits the Earth. Some planets have more than one moon. Jupiter is a moon magnet with over 70 moons, each with its unique name and story. Isn't that incredible? Now let's check out what Olive has to share with us about the moon.
The moon has a really big impact for us here on Earth. It controls our tides, so it controls the water on the Earth by its gravitational pull. And here you can see some of the moon phases. So the moon orbits around the Earth, and every day it has a slightly different looking face. You can see over here where it's completely invisible. This is called a new moon, or in the Maramataka, which is the Māori lunar calendar, it's called Whiro. And Whiro is the darkest night of the whole month. So it's considered a time to not go out, to not do any fishing, because you're not going to be able to see anything. But a week later, we get to this half moon phase. So these are known as the tamatia phases. These phases are associated with the ngahere, the forest. That is a place where there might be a lot of activity happening in the forest. A week later again, you get to the full moon, which is called Rako Nui. And the full moon is a time when the moon is full and bright and out all night. And what that means is that there's going to be a lot of light in the nighttime. This means it's a really good time to be doing nighttime activities, whether it be fishing or whatever else it is you like to get up in the nighttime. This is a good time to do it because there's lots of light you can see, and there'll be a lot of activity in the natural environment as well. And then a week later again, we get to the tangaroa phases, which is this half moon phase again. And the tangaroa phases, tangaroa is an atua of the ocean, and so tangaroa phases are connected to anything to do with the water. It's a really good time to be fishing or diving or whatever water-based activities you can think of.
Fact number 5. Jupiter has lots of moons, while Earth has one very special moon that lights up our nights. And there you have it, Chief Explorers. I hope you learned a little bit more about our solar system and the fascinating patterns of our solar system, how we get day, night, and also the seasons, and a little bit more about our moon. Until next time, see you guys next time, friends. Bye.
Come and explore with me, yeah, yeah.